Today, I am reviewing the MSI Katana 15. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Katana 15 B13VGK-2000US positions itself as a performance-packed gaming laptop aimed squarely at gamers and creators who demand high refresh rates, next-gen graphics, and thermal efficiency, all without spending a fortune. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA's powerful RTX 4070 GPU, and a buttery smooth QHD 165Hz display, the Katana 15 hits a sweet spot for both competitive gamers and multitasking users in 2025. At the heart of the MSI Katana 15 is the Intel Core i7-13620H, a high-performance 13th Gen processor with 10 cores, 6 performance plus 4 efficiency cores, that can reach turbo speeds up to 4.9 GHz. It handles intensive gaming, streaming, and multitasking like a champ. Whether you're running AAA titles, live streaming your gameplay, or editing videos, the i7-13620H ensures everything runs smoothly with minimal lag or throttling. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, which is based on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture. With support for ray tracing, DLSS 3, and 140W Max TGP, this GPU delivers incredible real-time lighting, shadows, and reflections, making modern games look visually stunning and play incredibly smooth. You'll easily hit high frame rates in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, and Hogwarts Legacy at ultra settings. One of the biggest standouts of the Katana 15 is its 15.6-inch QHD, 2560 by 1440 display with a 165Hz refresh rate. The high refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth motion, perfect for competitive games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or Fortnite, while the QHD resolution brings out sharp details and vivid colors for more immersive story-driven games or creative work. If you're upgrading from a standard 1080p 60Hz panel, the difference is night and day. Colors pop, textures look sharper, and gameplay feels far more responsive. MSI includes 16GB of DDR5 RAM, 4,800 MHz, the latest and fastest memory standard currently available for laptops. This ensures fast data access, snappy responsiveness, and efficient multitasking. You can run multiple apps, browsers, and even VMs without experiencing slowdowns. The MSI Katana 15 comes in a sleek black chassis that balances gaming aesthetics with subtlety. It's not overly flashy, making it a solid choice for gamers, creators, and even professionals. The RGB backlit keyboard adds a touch of flair, especially when gaming at night, and the tactile key response enhances in-game control. To support the powerful hardware inside, MSI uses its Cooler Boost 5 thermal solution, featuring dual fans and 6 heat pipes. This cooling system keeps the laptop running at optimal temperatures, even under extended heavy loads. Final verdict, is the MSI Katana 15 worth it? Absolutely. The MSI Katana 15 B13VGK-2000US is a performance powerhouse at a competitive price. With its RTX 4070 GPU, i7-13620H CPU, QHD 165Hz display, and strong thermal performance, it's an ideal choice for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. If you want a future-proof gaming laptop that can handle modern AAA titles with ease, offer sharp visuals, and stay cool under pressure, the MSI Katana 15 should be at the top of your list in 2025.